The Homdox 960 psi cordless pressure washer is a portable handheld device that provides deep and effective cleaning for outdoor spaces and equipment. This pressure washer is equipped with a 6-in-1 nozzle, allowing for flexible adjustments and a range of spray types to suit various surfaces and dirt types. Powered by two high-quality 40-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries, this Homdox pressure washer offers long-lasting support for your cleaning tasks without the need for a constant power supply. Designed for portability and convenience, this lightweight and compact pressure washer can go anywhere and draw fresh water from a variety of sources. The Homdox pressure washer features a safety design with a trigger gun lock, preventing unintentional operation, and comes fully equipped with a battery charger, multifunction nozzle, soap bottle, and a 20-foot hose. With a review score of 4.2 and over 1,000 reviews, this Homdox pressure washer, priced at $119.99, offers great value for money while delivering excellent performance.